Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to do a cool trick. First, you grab a beanbag if you have a beanbag, and then you run and jump. You run and then you kind of do a front flip. If you need to still practice, you can run and do a front roll. And I'm also gonna be doing another cool trick. If you're really hyper, you can do it off of your couch, and it's basically still the same, kind of the same. You just have to do a front flip, but you need to jump. If you're not out.